Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Flying Skies One. Today we'll discuss about AC water leakage problems in the indoor unit. So this will happen because of two reasons. One, because of the heavy dust that has been accumulated in the indoor unit. Please remove the cover and remove all the dust that has been accumulated on the filters. Clean the filters and insert that back. This will solve the problem. And there could be one more reason because of which the water is getting leakaged from inside. So for that you'll have to look at the exhaust. So get to the outdoor unit and look at the pipe that is there for the water exhaust. Connect it to the vacuum cleaner and please allow the vacuum cleaner to suck all the dirt that is there on the exhaust pipe and also on the AC. Please do it for 5 minutes or so that the entire dust gets accumulated. If any hindrance or any blockage is there, that will be cleared out. Most cases this will solve the issue of water leakage in the indoor unit. So in our case, the step 2 where we have taken this vacuum cleaner, small vacuum cleaner, and removed the dust from the exhaust pipe or the outlet pipe which is water collector. So we have removed all the dust using this vacuum cleaner. As it sucked, it has removed all the dust and any blockage has been removed. So the free flow of water is coming through the exhaust and not to the indoor unit. This has solved our problem. I suggest you to check for either of the options. One is cleaning the indoor meshes, filters, and second thing is through the exhaust pipe you can remove all the dirt that is being accumulated in the pipe. So these two things should solve the issue of water leakage which you could experience in the indoor unit. We have done for 2 rounds and also checked for dirt. So there is a bit of dirt that has been accumulated, but it has become a solid dirt because of which the water is not clearly coming out. It solved our problem. Thank you.